ladies and gentlemen, it's Miss Swistak here. I think I have solved our sketchpad problem with a new program called Sumo Paint. It does have some cooler and more interesting features than Sketchpad did with the basic figures that it had. So you're going to look for sumopaint.com, SUMOPAINT. Look up right up here in my address bar. You'll see it. It's going to take you to this page. You can just click Try Online, and then of course open, and it will take you right there. All right, so with the video that I'm just creating, I am placing a JPEG copy of the shading worksheet that you are working on. So to access that, what you're going to have to do is save that to your device. As soon as it is saved, you're going to click File, Open from my computer, and find where that value worksheet is saved at and hit Open. And it's going to pop it right in there in Sumo Paint. All right, now over here on your left side is your toolbar. A lot more cool and interesting tools that you had in Sketchpad. Another important thing up here in the Edit tab, you have your Undo and Redo. So if you make a mistake, you just undo and redo. Your File tab has where you're going to be saving your project as you work, and I do recommend you save often. I would probably say save to your computer. All right, so once you have your worksheet in, and if you're looking for the bucket fill tool, it's over here on the left, right above the T. Look at my little finger hovering around it. It kind of looks like a little spray can. And then you can go ahead and bucket fill anything, of course, that needs to be solid black. All right, now to change the color, up here in the top upper left-hand corner, you see a little square. It says Color. You're going to click on it, and down in the bottom corner, you're going to notice a little dot. You're going to slide that little dot up, and you'll notice that the color in the upper box here changed. All right, you want to make sure you hit OK, and then you can go ahead and use bucket fill to fill your next spaces with that next color. Now, if it doesn't fill all the way, or you click on something and it doesn't fill, that means that there might be some pixels in there that, just need to be filled in. So you can even go back with your paintbrush, fill those in as well. So once again, to change the color, up top here, you click that color box. You're going to move that little dot up so you see this little square here changes color. Make sure you hit OK, and then you're good to go ahead and use that bucket fill. Now I need to experiment with some of the paint, and I think there's actually a blend feature on it. Let's cross our fingers and hope this works. All right, so right here on the left side, underneath the thing that looks like a lasso, it's a little paintbrush, and some of your options up here. All right, you've got change your size, change how wide it is, even change how transparent it is, and you can come on over here, and yes, you can start painting it in. All right, so I'm going to paint this part this gray. I'm going to change my color to a little bit lighter. I'm going to use that same paintbrush tool and paint the next tone. And then if we use this finger, look at that. That little finger here is a blending tool. So just like I showed you in class with our tortillon stump or our finger or our Q-tip that you might have gotten from the bathroom, you can do blending here in Sumo Paint with that little pointer finger. All right, so you just, once again, you're going to put your next color down, and then you go over here to that little pointer finger, and you can just use it to smudge it together. And that's pretty awesome. All right, you can even use it to smudge around in places so that some of those white speckly pixely dots go away. So that's pretty awesome too. So I think Sketchpad is going to be a lot more successful for us than, Sumo Paint is going to be a lot more successful for us than Sketchpad. Of course, when you're done, do make sure you save it to your computer, name it however you want, and then hit save when you're ready. All right, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and ask me. I hope this helps. You guys have a great day now.